Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a one owner 2004 Lexus RX 330. Really clean little car, just serviced it, drives really good. Ice cold AC, sunroof, leather. Have a little paint fade here on the back. It's expected from a '04, but overall, I mean, it is in really good condition. Check out the interior, got a little bit of so you expect some light rock chips up here, but check out the inside here. Some really clean. You can see there's a sunroof. Drives really good too, this car. Interior's in really good shape. It has, crank it up, 171,785 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You can text us too. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any repair issues, we also have a shop. We specialize in Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche. Also work on other foreign and domestics. Definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.